Welcome to watch today's fresh home. House in Lilyfield by Charmaine Pang Architect. Camouflaged by trees, this ingenious extension by Charmaine Pang Architect gave a worker's cottage the functionality of a family home, without detracting from its heritage charm. Pang had long-range and lofty ambitions for her two-bedroom home in the inner Sydney suburb of Lilyfield, but with the sudden challenges of growing family, a fast and innovative solution was needed. We looked at it again with fresh eyes and thought, what's the quickest and most economical thing that we can do right now, she says. The answer was to leave the existing cottage as untouched as possible and to take advantage of the dead space at the side.